While the Oklahoma City Thunder's been winning games on the court, it's one of their cheerleaders who's making headlines. Kelsey Williams, a veteran cheerleader with the NBA for 3 years, became the focus of a CBS Houston Sports Radio article posted online titled, "Is this girl too chunky to be an OKC Thunder cheerleader?" It was posted after last Monday's playoff game between the Oklahoma City Thunder and Houston Rockets. The columnist, Claire Crawford, even launched a poll asking readers if they think Williams has the perfect look, could use some tightening up in her midsection, or if she has no business wearing that outfit in front of people. The article caused an immediate backlash, with readers going on the attack against Crawford, calling her a bully and a mean girl, with one person tweeting, "Wow, it's possible for a woman to be a misogynist? Blogger Claire Crawford qualifies." Another adding, "Shame on you, Claire Crawford, for your irrelevant, vindictive, and outrageous comments about Kelsey B. Williams." CBS Houston would only say that the article was taken down from its website on Wednesday, and now several websites, including the Houston Chronicle, are saying that Claire Crawford seems to be a pseudonym for Anna Megan Raley, a columnist for CBS Houston. Raley once posted this video on the Houston Chronicle website when she herself auditioned to be a cheerleader for a professional soccer team.
I added my own personal style.
She didn't make the team. Raley has denied writing the columns criticizing Williams, but that hasn't stopped critics from lashing out, with one person writing, "Women like Anna Megan Raley, a.k.a. blogger Claire Crawford, who called cheerleader fat, are idiots, and the reason women hate themselves so much." As for Williams, she's taking the high road, tweeting, "Thank you to everyone for the compassion and love today. I'm in awe." Lindsay Davis, ABC News, New York.